This Judy Boone Realty Incorporated property video is presented by ElizabethTwofeathers. Brick home in very desirable neighborhood. New carpet. Beautiful hardwood floors in kitchen. Tile in all 3 bathrooms. Granite countertops in kitchen, laundry room and the 3 bathrooms. Recessed lighting and 2 ceiling fans in the den with wood-burning fireplace. All new paint and light fixtures. Double sink in kitchen with window looking out on backyard. Eat-in kitchen with bay window overlooking backyard. Come see and make this your new home. For more information, review the details below or contact ElizabethTwofeathers at 757-334-6683.